Welcome to GearPath, and today's topic will be binary addition and subtraction. Let's learn the rules of the binary addition first. 0 plus 0 will be 0, 0 plus 1 will be 1, 1 plus 0 will be 1, and 1 plus 1 will be 0, and carry 1. Let's understand this by taking one example, and this is the example. Let's apply the rules. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, and 1 plus 0 is also 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1 to the left side. Now we have carried 1, could assume 0 above, there is no digit, and add it. 1 0 plus 1 will be 1, and this will be the answer for this. Next, let's go to the subtraction rules and also discuss one example like this. First rule for subtraction is 0 minus 0, which is 0, and 0 minus 1 will be 1, and we will borrow 1 from left side. And 1 minus 0 equals to 1. 1 minus 1 is also 0. And now, in this example, 0 minus will be 0, and 0 minus 1 will be 1, and 1 minus 0 should be 1, but we have borrowed 1 from left here, so there it will be 0 now. 0 minus 0 is 0, and 1 minus 1 is 0. Answer is 2. This will be the end of this lecture. If you like, please subscribe and share with all your friends. Thank you.